Hello and welcome back to TF Delicacies. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make some wheat and maida kulchas. So be ready to make some delicious and soft kulchas. To make the maida roti, you're going to be needing 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of curd, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a few teaspoons of oil. First off, add the flour, salt, and baking soda into a bowl. Once well combined, start adding the curd gradually. Be mindful not to add any water to the dough though. Form this into a roughly shaggy dough. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and knead the dough for 5 minutes. Take a damp cloth and cover the dough with it to rest for around 30 to 45 minutes. Turn the flame on at medium heat. Place the pan on the stove. Now, take some dough and form a medium-sized ball. Roll the ball of dough to 1/4 inch of thickness. Brush the roti with some water. Sprinkle some onion seeds and garnish with some fresh cilantro leaves. Gently press these into the roti. Place the roti onto the pan with the garnishing side facing towards you. As you can see here, there are bubbles starting to form. That means it's time to turn it. Flip the roti and cook the other side evenly. To give it a bit more flavor, we are adding some ghee on both sides. If you want to, you can use butter. Look at that golden color. And voila! Your kulcha is ready. You can serve it with rajma or any curry of your choice. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.